Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit, fine and well at home. Children, today I am going to teach you Standard 6 Social Science Chapter 2. On the trail of the earliest people. Children, see, this is a timeline. Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic and Chalcolithic age. Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, Neolithic age and Chalcolithic age. Scientists believe that life started on Earth some 3,500 million years ago and human beings developed in stages over the centuries from a series of apes. Apes, a large primate that lacks a tail, including the gorilla, chimpanzee, orangutan and gibbon. This process of development is called evolution. This process of evolution started in present-day Africa. From here, the early humans spread slowly across the continents. Children, so this is the picture of early humans. Life of early human. Early humans lived simple lives. They were hunter-gatherers. They hunted wild animals, caught fish and birds, gathered fruits, roots, nuts, seeds, leaves, stalks and eggs. Stalks means stem or trunk. They lived in caves or tree tops and wore clothes made of the barks of trees, animal skin or fur. Barks of trees, the hard outer covering of a tree. They used simple tools and weapons made of stone and bone. They moved from place to place. So this is the picture of man as a hunter. Stone Age. The period of humans' history from around 500,000 BCE to 4000 BCE. Children, what is the full form of BCE? Before Common Era. When human used mainly stone tools is known as the Stone Age. The Stone Age is divided into 4 periods. Paleolithic Age, Old Stone Age, 500,000 to 10,000 BCE. Mesolithic Age, Middle Stone Age, 10,000 to 8,000 BCE. Neolithic Age, New Stone Age, 8,000 to 4,000 BCE. And Chalcolithic Age, Copper Age, 4,000 to 2,000 BCE. How do we know about these people? Since the Stone Age was a period before humans learned to write, our knowledge of this period comes. Children, turn the page. From artifacts, bones, tools, weapons, cave paintings and pottery. In the news. In September 2010, a large number of stone tools and weapons dating back to more than 80,000 years were unearthed from a dry lake bed in south of Chennai. Hand axes, choppers, scrapers and microlithic tools were the common finds. Unearthed means find in the ground by digging. Choppers, a short axe with a large blade, and scraper, a tool or device used for scraping. Microlithic, a tool. A microlithic is a small stone tool, usually made of flint or chet and typically a centimeter or so in length and half a centimeter wide. Important sites of Stone Age. Sites are places where the remains of things, tools, pots, building, etc. were found. These were used and left behind by people. This may be found on the surface of the earth, buried under the earth, or sometimes even underwater. See children, this is the side of Stone Age. Children, the second chapter till the important sites of Stone Age you read. Thank you children.